Imagine standing on the edge of a bustling market street in Singapore, surrounded by vibrant stalls and clinking coins. Roger James Hamilton's voice cuts through the noise as he hands you a color-coded map not for streets but for wealth. From red to ultraviolet, this map reveals where you truly stand financially. But here's the catch, just knowing your color isn't enough. What if ascending those colors is the real secret to life-changing wealth? Before you climb the ladder, you must first know where you're standing on solid ground or sinking sand. Roger's unique wealth fingerprint test is your flashlight in the dark. Roger James Hamilton noticed people stuck blindly chasing money like hamsters on wheels. Drawing from his life in Singapore's tech hubs, he crafted 9 distinct wealth colors, from red barely scraping by, all the way to ultraviolet where money worries vanish. This isn't just theory, it's a scalable, relatable guide that maps your financial journey like a GPS for your bank account. Think of the wealth test as a prism splitting your financial reality into colors, much like sunlight into a rainbow. This concrete breakdown makes abstract money struggles tangible. It's like discovering your financial DNA. Once you see it, your next moves aren't guesswork but tailored steps that fit your unique situation perfectly. Knowing your color isn't just labeling, it's empowerment. People staring at their red status often feel trapped, but Roger reframes this as a launchpad. Your current spot, no matter how low, has hidden clues about your strengths and blind spots. That shift in mindset transforms fear into strategy, turning the first step into a leap with a clear target. Here's where the magic hits. Ascending isn't about luck, it's about mastering your unique wealth style. Roger's plan isn't one size fits all, it's color-coded for your strengths and challenges. Take Sarah in London, stuck in orange, the earning phase, overwhelmed by hours but stuck on income plateaus. Roger's system advised her to switch focus from grinding 12-hour days to leveraging partnerships and systems. She shifted gears from sole effort to strategic collaboration, allowing her income to double in just 9 months without burning out. Hamilton uses a vivid analogy, climbing a skyscraper's external fire escape while others use the elevator inside. The fire escape is laborious, risky, repetitive. The elevator, systems, delegation, focusing on activities that multiply returns rather than just grind hours. The Millionaire Master Plan guides you from fire escape exhaustion to elevator efficiency. Every fall has a pattern, Roger reveals. Instead of beating yourself up when hitting a plateau or losing money, he encourages analyzing the exact color stage misfit causing the stumble. Sarah's burnouts weren't failures, but signs she outgrew orange methods. Recognizing this gave her clarity on when to pivot, replacing frustration with informed confidence. Money isn't the finish line. For Roger, true ultraviolet wealth is a life where income flows free and purpose drives your days. This transformation flips the entire script. Roger tells of Marcus, a former red-level entrepreneur in Manila who climbed all the way to ultraviolet by automating his businesses. Once trapped in daily hustle, Marcus built systems that sheared off tedious tasks and hired leaders who shared his vision. Today, Marcus wakes up to income that flows like rivers, free from daily grind but deeply tied to purposeful impact. Hamilton argues that wealth without purpose is like a car with no destination. Aligning money with your passion creates a self-sustaining feedback loop. Imagine your income like a garden. If you tend it with purpose, it blooms endlessly instead of withering under empty pursuits. This vivid metaphor helps you see wealth as a tool, not just a trophy. The ultimate payoff, ultraviolet wealth frees you from the rat race and connects you with deeper fulfillment. Money becomes a bridge to your best self and the impact you want to make. This transformation is less about wallets and more about awakening. The richest people aren't those with the most money, but those with a life that money enables fully. Remember that busy market in Singapore and that vibrant color map handed to you? Now you know the secret isn't just to track money, but to understand your exact place and map a personalized path upward. Try this tonight. Take Roger's wealth color test online, pinpoint your stage, and list one small step tailored just for your color to climb up. Because color-coded clarity turns chaos into confident climbing. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.